Pergolas have been around for hundreds of years. They give decks and backyards a new perspective that is pleasing to the eye and practical. Pergolas are built as an aesthetically pleasing element for the backyard. They provide a structure for vines to wrap around and offer a bit of shade during the summer season. They tend to be a decoration you can enjoy on a beautiful afternoon. These structures are commonly made of wood. However, not just any wood will suffice. These structures are under constant assault from the elements and need to stand up to the toughest environments. Brazilian hardwoods like ipe, kumaru, and tigerwood are ideal for pergolas. These woods are some of the densest in the world and are not susceptible to mold, decay, rot, or termite infestations. With our Brazilian hardwoods, you can rest easy knowing your pergola will last a lifetime. Call or visit AdvantageLumber.com to find out more about our wood products. We ship our decking directly to your home or job site worldwide.